What is up? It's Jack here, and I'm going to show you how I generated 87 million views in 30 days, all on Twitter. So if you have a Twitter account, this is going to be valuable to you. If you want to go viral, if you want to get leads for your business, if you want to sign clients for your business, obviously 87 million views resulted in quite a bit of money for our business. So number one, this is stuff, by the way, that you've probably never seen before. This is stuff that no one talks about. This is not going to be your basic, growth guide. No, like this is advanced stuff. All right, number one, become the authority. So there's what we call this influence pyramid. And basically, there's three layers of what is the most influential aspects of your communication. So the lowest level and the least influential level is actually the words you're saying. So what are you saying? The words. So these do matter. They do have a degree of influence, obviously, but they're actually the least important, the least influential. The second most influential thing is how you're saying it. So this is your tonality. Are you extremely certain when you say it? This is the way you frame it? How are you saying it? The most influential by far is who is talking. Who? All right, who? Example to make this clear. Example, okay, your uncle tells you to buy Amazon stock. And let's assume your uncle is just some normal uncle. He's got a 401k, but he's just like dabbles in stocks. He doesn't know what he's doing really. Tells you to buy Amazon stock. Cool. Versus Warren Buffett tells you to buy Amazon stock. All right, they could say the exact same words, but it's the who that changes everything. All right, it's Warren Buffett. So obviously you're going to take his advice a billion times more seriously just because the who. All right, the who matters the most. So what this means for you is, especially if you're just starting out, you need to position yourself as an authority in your niche. All right, you need a niche down. All right, niche down until you are the guy in that space. All right, so you can keep shrink the pond is one way to think about it. So instead of being like, if you think of Alex Hormozy, for example, what he did, he was the gym guy at first. All right, so he built gyms, and then he didn't become like the business guy for everyone in the world at first. He slowly branched out until he had the credibility to do so. All right, so you need to start niched down. All right, so you are the authority in that space, and obviously talk about those things because then your words are going to be so much more powerful compared to just talking about general stuff that you're not an authority in. So this is number one, become the authority and talk about the things that you are an authority in. Number two, market validation. Very powerful thing to do. All right, so Hormozy actually tweeted this the other day. Easy way to make content, surf the interwebs for headlines, genuinely react to the ones that rub you the wrong way. Explain why you think the idea is wrong or incomplete, where you have credibility. So this comes back to the who, and do so without attacking the person who made it. All right, so basically what we're doing here with market validation is we're looking for what pieces of content has the market already validated. And when I say validated, I mean pieces of content that go viral, that people react to, that people give their attention to. All right, so the easy hacks to do this is you can use this Twitter search function where you use min faves, and you can insert a keyword. So if you want to search for, diet or investing, whatever your niche is, and you're searching for tweets about your niche, you can insert a keyword that people use in your niche, or you can search a popular account. And then you type in min faves 500. All right, this is going to give you their top tweets that got over 500 likes. All right, you can start to see what is the market validating. What are these top tweets that always go viral? And you're going to use that for inspiration. All right, you're seeing, okay, the market is constantly validating whenever they talk about, this thing. All right, so let me start talking about this thing. That's how you do it. Another way is YouTube. Use the YouTube and you search the topic that you want to talk about. Look at the most popular video titles. All right, so this is validation. Again, it's market validation. Use what the market has already validated. All right, instead of having to spend years and years and years, all right, testing different content, testing different ideas, use what the market has already validated. All right, this is going to help you go way more viral instantly. That's number two. Number three, build a powerful network. All right, here's a network hack that will allow you to befriend people who are way ahead of you in the game. No one does this, by the way. Simply send them a video message. So take out your phone, film a selfie video message. All you have to do is be real, just genuinely compliment them and how they've helped you. If they haven't, then do not send the message. Don't make it up. All you're doing here is sending positive energy. All right. Do not ask for anything. This is very important. Don't ask for anything. All right. What you're trying to do here is give. And especially, I know when you're just starting out, it's like, well, how can I even give anything to this person? They're quote unquote way ahead of me in the game. Something of value is positive energy. All right, everyone appreciates this. If you just send someone positive energy, cool, awesome. People appreciate it. And no one does this. So when you send a video message, every single time I've done it, just about every time I've done it, people are like, holy crap, no one's ever sent me a video message before. And so it gets their attention, number one, in their inbox, in their crowded inbox. They're like, oh, what the heck, a video? I need to watch this. And then obviously, if you do the video right, you just send positive energy. They're like, oh man, this guy's awesome. I like him. All right. So this is the key, and why having a network helps is because if you're friends with big accounts, they'll engage with their stuff, and audience share happens. So some of their audience is going to see your content on their timeline because they comment on your stuff. So that's how your account continues to blow up. All right. Those are the three things right there. Number one, become the authority. Number two, market validation. Number three, build a powerful network. And look, if you're a coach who wants to add 10K to 50K per month to your business in 6 months, I can work with you one-on-one to make this happen. And the thing is, we work on a complete pay on results basis. So if you don't see results, you don't pay. All you have to do is click the red button somewhere that says book a call, and we can chat to see if we can scale your business. And here's the deal. There's no big following required. So it doesn't matter where your following is at. This is not some agency. This is going to be a mentorship. So something I've actually done myself. You can see the Stripe screenshot right here. So I've built my own fitness coaching business. And look, I only get paid if you see results. So if this is even remotely interesting to you, go ahead and book a time to chat. Just click that red button that says book a call, and I'll talk to you soon.